So far, we have learned what is symmetry and few instances where we come across symmetry. Now, let us study how to make symmetric figures. Firstly, by Inkblot Devils. It's like an activity for you children. For this, we have certain steps. Take a piece of paper, fold it in half. Spill a few drops of ink on one half side. Now press the halves together. Now let us carry out the activity by using these steps. We are taking a piece of paper, then folding it at its center. Now let's spill few drops of ink on one of its side, pressing both the halves together, then opening the folding. The resulting image will be having symmetry. Like this, try more patterns. We have another way to make symmetric figures, that is by inked string patterns. For this, we need a special equipment that is nothing but a string or a thin thread. Then, similar to the Inkblot Devils activity, we need ink bottle with ink in it and a piece of paper. Steps to carry out this activity will be like this. Fold a paper in half. On one half portion, arrange short lengths of string dipped in a variety of colored inks or paints. Now press the two halves. Study the figure you obtain. Is it symmetric? Yes, it is symmetric with the line of folding as the line of symmetry. By this, you can also make like this, which looks like the appendages of cockroach. List a few objects you find in your classroom, such as the blackboard, the table, the wall, the textbook, etc. Which of them are symmetric and which are not? We'll be seeing answers to these in our next class.